Uniforme ay cool, baka may maeksenahan. Siyempre, merong pag-chis ngayon.
Violation detected. End live now to avoid suspension due to hateful behavior. Okay. Yes, okay. I'll end my live now. Alright. Okay, let me end my live. Kaya lang, tawagan ko lang. Hello? Mental hospital? Yes, nurse, he's awake. Yes, he's already awake. Yeah. Can we put him to sleep again? Yes. No, don't kill him. Just put him to sleep. Alright? Oh, you wanna kill him? Okay, I guess there's nothing I can do. Alright. Bye-bye. Sana all baliw. Crazy person detected. Crazy person detected. And live now to avoid suspension due to hateful behavior. Crazy person detected. Crazy person detected. Please kick out now to avoid spoiling your mood. Alam mo. O, dyan ka lang ha. Alam ko naubusan na kayo ng gamot. Naubusan ng gamot. Walang pambili yung nanay mo ng gamot mo. Pasensya ka na. Kalmahan mo lang. Try mo breathe in, breathe out. Okay? Breathe in, breathe out. Kaya mo yan. Kalma lang. Kahit walang gamot ngayon, everything will be okay. Benny, everything will be okay. Calm down. Breathe in and then breathe out. Okay? Antayin mo lang, makakabili din yung nanay mo ng gamot mo ulit. Okay? Sa ngayon, manual lang muna. Manual ka muna. Manual muna yung kalma, okay? Manualan mo lang. Yeah. Okay, go ahead and record me. I also record myself. For the record. I also record myself. Go ahead. I give you permission. Go. Yes, Benny. Go ahead. And Merry Christmas to you, Benny. I hope that wherever you are, I mean, how nice is it that the mental hospital that you're in they're letting you use a cell phone. Wow. Benny, why are they letting you use a cell phone? Are you in the rehab? So you can use cell phone there? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I've read it. Yeah, I know, Benny. I've read it. You've said it 3 times. Autistic yata. Ladies and gentlemen, we're dealing with a paranormal entity. We're dealing with an entity right now. I highly suggest that you just ignore it. Yeah. What you don't see won't hurt you. Yes, you're going to record me. Yep. I caught that. Yeah. I got it. I read that earlier. Yeah, I saw it. Oh, nakik ka tuloy. Baliw. Sana all baliw.